Alright, so this video will be about setting up our apparatus and how to ensure that our meter rule is horizontal. Okay, so as you can see that this is the so-called apparatus, right? And the question they ask us is to how we can ensure that the meter rule was horizontal. Okay, so of course the first way we can use is using half meter rule. I measure what is the length of the meter rule, right, above the bench. So let's just say I draw a so-called half meter ruler. So I measure what is this length, okay, and I use another half meter rule, or I can use the same meter rule. I measure what is this, what is the height above the bench of the meter rule, right? So I just measure what is this length, okay, and I just ensure that both length is the same. Then I can safely say that the meter rule is horizontal. Okay, so that is the first way. Okay, so first way, use a half meter rule and okay, so don't forget to mention at both the ends, right? So at both ends. Okay, so use and measure the height. So the height of the at the both ends must be the same. So when the heights are at the both ends are the same, means that it is horizontal. Alright, so as long as you write this, then you can get the mark. Okay, there's another way which we will need to use apparatus called a spirit level. Yeah, I don't know whether you have heard it before, but if the spirit level is a device where there is an air bubble, there's liquid inside and an air bubble inside. You put it on top of the so-called meter rule, right? So let me just draw. So it's like a device like that. Then let me draw this. Okay, so inside this device there's a so-called bubble like that. So there's of course a bubble, and there's a so-called a line, a line here. So your bubble must be exactly at the line there. So if your bubble is exactly at the line, means that your meter rule is horizontal. So you can also use that. Yeah. So second is use a spirit level. Right? So this is another way of ensuring that the meter rule is horizontal. Of course, just to be safe, you can just put both lah. So that I believe you have the time to put both, then you put both, right? So that is for the spirit level.